Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll talk about how to get cheap tickets to Disney World. So let's get started. So the first option that you have is Park Prodigy. Basically, it's a one-stop shop for discounted Disney tickets and vacation planning. And it offers multiple things for Disney World and other parks. And the owner might provide personalized service for booking. And the other option that we have is Undercover Tourist. And basically, it's a trusted and authorized ticket seller with 20 plus years of experience. And it's known for discounted park tickets and vacation package and a great customer service. And it's basically a simple website and responsive support. And the third option that we have is City Pass Orlando. And it basically provides bundle tickets for multiple attractions and in the major cities. And it offers tickets to Disney and SeaWorld and also Universal Orlando and Busch Gardens. And it's economical for multiple attraction visitors. So yeah, that was the video for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe and see you guys in the next video. Cheers.